What if I told you there's a completely free way to turn your website from 10 visitors a day to 10,000 visitors a day? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into that exact strategy, SEO. I know. SEO sounds super technical and boring, right? But here's the thing. It's actually like going on a treasure hunt. And by the end of this video, you'll be like, oh wow, that's actually really cool. So grab your favorite snack because we're about to discover some digital gold together. Okay, so imagine the internet is like this massive treasure island, right? And your website? That's your precious treasure chest. Now, SEO is basically the art of making sure your treasure chest is sitting in the most visible spot on the island. Think about it. When people come looking for treasure, you want yours to be the first one they see, not buried behind a rock where nobody can find it. That's exactly what SEO does for websites like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. It's like putting up the biggest, brightest sign that says, hey, amazing treasure over here. So when people search for something you have, boom, they find you first. Now, before we get into the fun stuff, let me introduce you to the SEO crew. These are the terms you'll hear everywhere. But don't worry, I'll make them super easy to understand. First up, DR and DA, your treasure chest's reputation score. DR stands for domain rating, and DA means domain authority. Fancy words, right? But here's the thing. Imagine all the treasure chests on our island have reputation scores. Some chests are like, meh, that's just okay treasure. But others are like, wow, that chest is legendary. The higher your DR or DA score, the more Google thinks this website is absolutely amazing. I should definitely show this to people first. It's like being the most popular kid in school. Everyone trusts you and wants to hang out with you. Next, Schema Markup, your treasure chest's label. Now, schema might sound scary, but it's actually super simple. Remember when you were a kid and you'd put labels on your toy boxes? Legos inside or dolls in here. Schema is exactly that, but for websites. It's like putting a big, clear sticker on your treasure chest that says this chest contains sparkling diamonds and gold coins. When Google sees this label, it goes, oh, perfect. I know exactly what's in here. And then it can show people really cool stuff in search results, like star ratings, prices, or event dates right there on Google. Then keywords, the treasure hunt clues. Keywords are basically the words people type when they're treasure hunting online. Like if someone's looking for best pizza recipe or cute cat videos. Those are their treasure hunt clues. Your job is to make sure your treasure chest website has all the right clues around it. So when someone searches for best pizza recipe, your pizza content is like, here, I have exactly what you're looking for. It's like playing hide and seek. But instead of hiding, you want to be found as quickly as possible. Finally, backlinks, your treasure chest's fan club. This is probably the coolest part. Backlinks are when other websites point to your website and say, hey everyone, check out this amazing treasure. Imagine other treasure hunters coming to your chest and putting up signs that say, this is the best treasure on the whole island. The more signs you have from respected treasure hunters, the more Google thinks, wow, everyone loves this treasure chest. It must be incredible. It's like getting recommendations from your friends. The more good friends who recommend you, the more trustworthy you seem. All right, now for the really fun part. Let's actually go treasure hunting. Here's how you do SEO in real life. Step 1, the great treasure detective work. First, you need to become a detective and figure out what treasures people are actually looking for. This is called keyword research, but I like to call it treasure detective work. You use tools to discover things like, lots of people are searching for chocolate chip cookie recipes, or everyone wants to know how to train their puppy. This is your treasure map. It shows you exactly what people want to find. Step 2, make your treasure chest irresistible. Once you know what people want, you make your website absolutely perfect for them. Give it the perfect name tag. Put those keywords in your page titles and content. But make it sound natural. Don't just stuff keywords everywhere. Like a robot. Write like you're talking to your best friend. Make it beautiful and organized. Clean up your website so it's super easy to read and navigate. Add awesome pictures. Make sure it loads fast and organize everything neatly. People should feel happy when they visit your site. Add those magic stickers, remember Schema? Use it to help Google understand exactly what your content is about. It's like giving Google super clear instructions. Step 3, build your fan club. This is where you get other websites to become your biggest fans. Right. Amazing content that people can't help but share. Maybe create something so helpful or entertaining that other websites naturally want to link to you. You can also reach out to other website owners and say, hey, I wrote this awesome guide that your readers would love. It's like networking, but online. Step 4, level up your reputation. Keep doing all this consistently and something magical happens. Your DR and DA scores start climbing. Your treasure chest becomes more and more legendary. Google starts thinking, this website is consistently amazing. Every time people visit, they find exactly what they need. And that's when you start showing up higher and higher in search results. Here's the beautiful truth about SEO. It's really just about being genuinely helpful to people. Think about it, you're creating content that people actually want to find. You're making it easy for them to read and understand. And you're building a reputation for being trustworthy and valuable. SEO isn't about tricking Google or gaming the system. It's about creating such amazing treasure that when people come looking, they're absolutely thrilled they found you. And the best part? When you do SEO right, it's a win-win-win situation. People find exactly what they're looking for. Google is happy because it's connecting people with great content. And you're happy because more people discover your awesome website. So there you have it. SEO isn't this scary, complicated monster. It's actually a pretty fun treasure hunt where everyone wins. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to build that legendary treasure chest reputation. But every small step counts. Start with one thing. Maybe do some keyword research, or clean up your website, or write one amazing piece of content. If this helped make SEO less mysterious for you, give this video a thumbs up. And if you want more beginner-friendly digital marketing tips, hit that subscribe button, because I've got tons more treasure hunting adventures planned for us. What's one SEO thing you're going to try this week? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing about your treasure hunting plans. See you in the next video, and happy treasure hunting.